if you have already in the classroom, you can type a hi to me. Yeah, let me know you are there. Yeah, because I'm still waiting for some other students. They are trying to come on their way. Yeah, today we are going to learn a new topic, some different multiples. Maybe some of you learned it before, yeah? Good evening, everyone. Hope you have a nice day. I have already sent the paper in the group. So after this class, after this mini lecture, okay, you can try to do that kind of the question. I think you will know the method how to do that kind of the question. Huh? Hi, good evening, everybody. Teacher Penny is here. Yeah. If you are there, you can say hi to me in the chat box. I can see. Hi, wow. Nice to see you. A lot of kids. Hi. Okay. So everyone, now today we are going to this topic on some different multiples. So why is this topic? Because in SASMO, there is always some word problem about it. And this topic is also shows in GEP. If you want to go to GEP, you must know how to do this kind of the question. Must get the method. Okay, so everyone, now get ready. We will start now. It's the day 4 for our DMD activity. So I'm so glad to see, oh, you are still here. Yeah, next day, yeah, tomorrow it will be Teacher Michelle. So everyone get ready, we will start. So if you are ready, please type ready in the chat box. Okay, get ready your handout if you have the question. Yeah, get ready. Maybe if you don't have the handout, it's okay. Get ready a blank paper, the pen, the pencil, because we will draw out the model together. All right? Yeah, everybody. Now let's go. We will enjoy a very good night today. Some different multiples. What kind of question we will call it? Some different multiples. So give you a little example about this. So what kind of question is that? It says Vivian, Abby, and Penny are good friends. One day they went to a bookstore. Vivian bought 4 more books than Abby. Penny bought 3 fewer books than Abby. They bought a total of 22 books. How many books did Vivian buy? Finally, we want to find out Vivian buy how many books. If you get your hand out, you need to circle the keyword. If you don't have it, it's okay. You need to write down the step. So with this question, where should we start? How can we think? We just know somebody bought more books, somebody bought fewer books. Okay, now everyone, important things. We need to draw a model to help us. So first, then actually the first sentence tells us Vivian and Abby. But can you tell me who bought more books? Vivian bought more or Abby bought more? A or B? Yeah, you can type A or B in the chat box. I will see it. Yeah, so quick. Good job. So obviously, right? Because it says Vivian bought 4 more. So absolutely, Vivian should be more, right? Okay, now everyone, how can we show out more with a model? Here we go. Because Vivian bought more, that means Abby bought less. We draw a little bar to represent Abby. Vivian bought more. That means Vivian's bar should be longer than Abby. Okay, longer than Abby. So actually, we need to label out this number 4 on our model. It says 4 more. Then we draw a little dashed line to show out the extra part. This part is 4. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you, how to draw out the model. Here we go. Because there are 3 kids, we are the best friend. So next step, can you tell me who bought more book? It's Penny or Abby who bought more? Yeah, this time A or B. A, Penny. B, Abby. Who bought more book? But this sentence says Penny bought 3 fewer. Penny is fewer this time. Excellent. I see a lot of B. So penny fewer, so penny the bar should be shorter than Abby. And then we use another line, try to find the difference of them, of penny and Abby. Penny shorter than Abby. Then this part, it should be 3. That means that Abby have a 3 more book than penny. All right, and another number. Another number says 22. 22 is the total. So we use a big bracket to include 3 of us equals 22. All right, now error 1. Now I have already finished the model. The model looks like this. Now, can I use 23 divided by 3? I cannot. Because there will be remainder. Okay, so if we cannot use 23 divided by 3 because there is a remainder, another important thing is, if they have the same book, so we can use the divide. Then let's take a look. Yeah, penny is shorter, Vivian is longer, so we cannot use divide. How? Let's think a method. Let's think a way to make them same. If I cut from here, all right, if I cut from here, this 3 bar, they will be same, right? We take penny as a 1 unit. Then Vivian will be 1 unit, 3 more. Effie will be 1 unit and 3 more. Vivian is 1 unit, but beside the 1 unit, it will be a little longer than part. Now, if I can find out the total number of this 3 unit, I can divide it by 3. Do we have any way try to find the total number of 3 unit? Can you tell me 3 unit equals? Wow, I see somebody has already get the answer so fast. You must know this method. This is a comparison model. Can I know 3 unit equals what? 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. A little bit hard. Okay, 7. 3 unit equals 7. 3 unit. A equals, I see the right answer. Good job. It should be 12. Okay, why is 12? Let's see. The total is 20, right? 20 means all of them together is 20. If I just want to keep this 3 little unit, okay, that means I need to take away the extra part. Extra part 3, I take it away. And extra part, this part is 4, I need to take away. But the problem is here. How many does this part be? You will find that they are same. They with the same length, right? So this part is 3. I need to take away 3. Take away 3, take away 3, take away 4. From the total is 22. But now the total is changed. It should be less. Take away 3, minus 3. Take away 3, minus 3. Take away 4, minus 4. So 22 minus 3 minus 4 finally equals 12. 12 means here, this part is 12. 3 unit is 12. After we know 3 unit is 12, can I find out 1 unit now? Yeah, 1 unit equals? What do you think? 1 unit. Okay, yeah. Another different way is try to find out the total of it is 7 and 4. 3 and 4 is 7. 22 minus 3 minus 7 is also right. Good job. Yeah, excellent. I see the right answer. 1 unit. Hey, very good. 1 unit is a 4 because 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 1 unit is 4. That means I have already find out how many books does Penny have. Penny have 1 unit, but we are looking for Vivian. I'm not just want to know, how many books does Penny have? Because I have already find out. Now, how many books did Vivian buy? 1 unit. Here is 4. What about how many does Vivian buy? Okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you. 1 unit is 4. That means this part is also 4. A little tip, a little more tip give to you. This part is also 4. And here we have already know, here is 3. Do you know how many did Vivian buy? Excellent. 4 plus 4 plus 3 equals, yeah, 11. Find it. Wow, good job. Oh, equals 11. So Vivian bought 11 books. In this type of the question, after we draw out the model, we need to take the shortest bar as 1 unit. Who is the shortest bar in this question? Penny. Penny is 1 unit. Then to cut the other longer bar into 1 unit. Cut means I need to take away the extra part. But be careful. Maybe extra part is not just 3 and 4. And a little extra part here is 3. So altogether, the extra part is 3, 3, and 4. Okay. This is actually we call it a comparison model. We use the comparison model in some kind of the question. It tells you who has more, who has less. That's kind of the question. Take the shortest one as 1 unit. After we find the total number of 3 units, we can use divide. Yeah. Okay. Now another question. Next question is a kind of the question in real P3 SASMO test. Here we go. Let's see. If you get the question, you need to circle out the key information, circle out the keyword, follow my step. All right, let's do it together. It says Tony bought 25 candies from a grocery shop. He bought 7 more apple candy than orange candies. He bought 3 more apple candy than grapes candy. He bought 2 more pineapple candy than orange candy. How many apple candy did Tony buy? I give you 3 minutes. 3 minutes for you. You can try it by yourself. A little bit complicated. Because lots of questions, there are only 3 people. Now this question, wow, we have 4 kind of candies. You can try it by yourself first. Later, I will give you a little help. You can compare the apple candy and the orange candy first. And then apple candy and the grapes candy. Next step is pineapple candy and orange candy. Try your best. It's okay. Don't worry, I'm here. I will help you. Actually, I forget the answer. But if you get your possible answer, tell me in the chat box. Later, let me see who get it right. Give you 1 more minute. Try to draw out the model. Yeah, the comparison model. Decimal question is not easy, right? Okay. Everybody, let's do it together. It's hard. Oh no. I see some crying emoji. They don't know how to do this. It's okay. Let's do it together. It's all right. Okay. Now here, I have already labeled out some key information. Then let's compare them. According to the sentence, we know The first sentence says something about the apple candy and orange candy. Okay, then arrow 1, please tell me which one is more. The orange candy or the apple candy? Which one is more? A or B? Yeah, so obviously, absolutely. It's A. Yeah, apple 7. Apple have a 7 more. Okay, then let's draw out the model here. Because apple more, then we will draw a little bit shorter bar to represent orange. But I just write down one number because I'm a little bit lazy. Orange, a little shorter bar. Then apple more means apple's bar should be longer than orange's bar. Okay, don't forget, after you draw out the bar, don't forget to label out the key information. 7. 7, where should I label 7? Draw a dashed line. Draw a dashed line, then this longer part, it should be 7. Okay, now the first sentence, I have already drawn it out. The second one, it says he bought 3 more apple candy and grapes candy now. Then which one is more this time? A apple, B grapes, which one? Okay, yeah, good job. It will be A again. Apple more. Okay, apple more. Grape less. Okay, so we need to draw a shorter. The bar is shorter than the apple. Don't forget to label out the number 3. Okay, 3 more apple and grapes. This is the difference between these two bars, apple and grapes. So we need to draw a dashed line here. This part shows a 3. And then continue. Then next one, can you tell me which one is more? This time is a pineapple or orange. Which one is more? Yeah, obviously, pineapple is more. So we will draw a longer bar. Longer than who? Longer than orange. Because 2 more pineapple candy than orange candy. Okay, so this time be careful. The 2 means the difference between pineapple and oranges. So we draw a dashed line. This part is 2. Okay, now I have already drawn out the unitary model. And one of the number not on the model now, 25. So 25 means total. All together is 25. This is all about our model. Then first step, I need to take the shortest one as the 1 unit. Who is the shortest? The shortest one is orange. Yeah, the shortest one is orange. So orange, you can be 1 unit now. Then let's see. Pineapple, here is 1 unit and an actual part 2. Okay, apple is 1 unit and an actual part 7. Grapes can also be 1 unit, but this actual part, we don't know. Okay, and then the question is coming. Arrow 1, can I find out the total number of 4 units? It's very important. Yeah, you can try it. Here is the first step. After you find out the first step, everything will be easy. 4 unit equals okay, I see some of the answer. If you take away the extra part, you will find the total number of 4 units. Yeah, first, from 25, I need to take away the 2, take away this extra part. Then from 25, I also need to take away 7. Okay, the last part, everyone, can you tell me what the number of this part? Is that 3? I need to minus 3 from 25? Absolutely not. 3, it should be here. No, so, okay, excellent. I see someone correct. Answer right. Good job, 3. Actually, this part, it should be 4. So how do we find out the 4 unit? Okay, we need to use 25 minus 2 minus 7 and minus 4. Yeah, so equals 12. That is right. Or this part is a 4, so a little bit tricky. Okay, then now I have already know 4 unit equals 12. Is that easy to find out 1 unit? So easy. We're close to the answer. Yeah, so 1 unit equals? Get it. I see it. Good job. Equals 12 divided by 4. Divided by 4, 1 unit is 3. 1 unit is 3. Wow. Actually, I have already know the orange. This part is 3. But we are looking for apple. Apple candy. Okay, how many apple candies do you know? Yeah. Get it. It should be 10 because there are 3 more apple candy than the grapes candy. Okay, so altogether it should be 10. Apple candy should be 10. Okay, so this is the real SASMO question in 2017. But I see 2 of you correct in the very beginning. Wow, so quick you get 10. Very good. The complicated part is the model is not easy to see. Actually, easy to find out what is the actual part. Draw a line. After you find out the unit, draw a line. On the right, all of them, they are the actual part. You need to find out, what is the every single number for every single actual part. Yeah, this is a real SASMO question. Then we will continue to see some other kind of model because you will use this kind of model in the question today we do. Then everyone, let's go. Some different kind of model. Let's go to take a look. Here it is. A florist sold 3 types of the flower. 3 types of the flower. She sold 3 times as many tulips as a rose. She sold 40 more more sunflower than roses. Okay, then she sold a total of 550 flowers altogether. How many roses did she sell? That's why it's a little bit easy because I want to use this question. Let's try to draw out the model by ourselves. In this question, there is some sentence that says, more and less. But another important keyword, 3 times. 3 times. If with this, we can choose a 1 unit. Can you tell me tulips or rose? Who can be 1 unit? A, tulips, B, rose. In this sentence, who is less? Who can be 1 unit? Who is 1 unit? This question a little bit easy, not hard, right? Rose is 1 unit because it says tulip 3 times. That means tulips more. So if we make sure, rose is 1 unit, that means, okay, I draw a very short bar to represent rose. Okay, and then 3 times for tulips. So we will draw 3 same bar for tulips. Be careful, your bar must be same. Yeah, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. They must be same. Then let's keep going. Another sentence tell us something about sunflower and the rose. So in this question, who is less? Which one is less? I changed another way to answer the question. This time I don't say, so who is more? Because who is more is so easy. Yeah, so actually now we have already know the sunflower, the rose will be less. Sunflower more. Okay, sunflower more, that means the bar should be longer. Longer than sunflower. Okay, let's see. 40. I need to label this number on the model. 40, which part? We need to draw a dashed line to compare rose and the sunflower. This part is 40. Yeah. Okay. Then let's see. 590. 590 is the total number. Okay. Now everybody, let's take a look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. 5 parts. Can I just use 590 divided by 5? Yes or no? Yes, really? Cannot. Because, wow, these 5 parts, they are not same. Be careful. When we find the same things, when we find the same length of the bar, okay, we can use divide. But now, absolutely, flower's bar is too long. It's longer than 1 unit. So what should we do? If it's longer, we can cut. If we cut, it will be shorter, right? Then it will be, take a look. Let's see. This part will be 1 unit. And the extra part is 40. Okay, we will see 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Oh, in this model, I have a 5 complete unit. Can you find the total number of this 5 complete unit? Obviously, it's not 590. 5 unit equals. Yes, excellent. So 5 unit, we need to use the total number minus 40. Why? Take away this 40 from 590. I will get 5 equal parts, right? So minus 40, take away this extra part. I will get 5 simple units equals 550. 5 unit is 550. What about 1 unit? Is that easy? Yeah, 1 unit is the rows. 110. Yeah, okay, I see the right answer. Good job. Yeah, here it is. Oh, we will use a kind of model. It's not very same with the question we do it before, because the last question just says somebody more, somebody less. But in this question, another keyword, 3 times. Oh, if you see 3 times, 2 times, 5 times, 6 times, somebody like something like that. Okay, draw out the unitary model. Find out who is 1 unit. Find out who is 1 unit is the first step. Then, if we find there is an extra part, oh no, we need to take it away. Take it away from the total. Yeah, this is one of the type, one of kind of a unitary model. Later, we will see another different type. Okay, get ready. It's the last question for our class today. Another type, it should be like this. It says, Agnes have 5 fewer apples than George. Jack has 3 as many apples as George. If they have a total of 55 apples, how many apples does Jack have? This keyword, it doesn't have something like 3 times, but it says thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Okay, now with this question, first, can we make sure? Yeah, who can be 1 unit? Jack or George? A, George, B, Jack. Who can be 1 unit? It says Jack has 3. So means Jack and George has less. George is 1 unit. Jack will be 3 unit. Okay, now I have already drawn out 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, all together 4 unit. But don't forget, we have another case. Another case, Agnes. Agnes 5 fewer apple than George. All right. Then if it's 5 fewer, who has more? Agnes or George? The question is not who less, who has more. George has more. That means Agnes, her bar should be shorter than 1 unit. Altogether, here will be 55. But the difference between George and Agnes, it should be 5. All right. Then everybody, I want this model just to show some perfect unit. I can use the total number divided by 4, divided by 5. Okay. What is the first step I need to do? I need to take away the extra part. Minus 5 or plus 5? What do you think? I give you the 2 choices. A says plus 5. B says minus 5. I need to minus or plus. This is very important. If you do the first question right, the following step will be easy. Okay. Ready? -5. Let's try. If -5, it will be, looks like this. -5 means you take away this part. Okay, now here is 1 unit. Here is 1 unit. Do you think this part is still 1 unit? It's longer than 1 unit. So how can I make them with the same length? I need to +5. Okay, error 1. Let's try. What does the +5? If I +5, what will happen? +5 means I make up this part. Oh, if Penny give 5 apple to Agnes, and this will have the same amount with George. If same amount with George means, oh, Agnes is also 1 unit. Then we will have how many units altogether? 5 complete unit, right? Complete unit, but the 5 unit equals 55? No. Penny give her 5 more. So that means, okay, the total will also be more, +5. So our first step is try to find out the complete unit. 5 complete equals 55 +5 equals 60. Then will be easy to find out 1 unit. Can you tell me 1 unit now? I think you know how to do. Okay. Yeah, good at calculation. I see the right answer. 60 divided by 5. Equals 11. Yeah, equals 12. 12 is right. I see somebody's answer is 11. No way. 1 unit is 12. 1 unit means George. George has 12. But we are looking for Jack. We are looking for here, this part. Can you tell me how many apples does Jack have? One last step. Excellent. 12 times 3. 12 times 3 equals 36. Finally, we find that Jack has a 36. So this is another type. We will find that we cannot take away the 5 because 5 is not an actual part. But if I can give and just for another 5, okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 parts, they will be 1 unit. All of them, they can be 1 unit. So for this model, our mission, our target is try to make every single bar, every single unit, they are same. Because if they are same, we can use divide. Yeah. So 2 type. In this type, we need to make up the missing part. And before that, in this part, we find that, for another extra part. So we need to take away, remove the extra part. So that is all for we learned today. We learned actually 2 big type of the question, unitary model and comparison model. In the question today, you will need to use these 2 kind of the model. Yeah, try your best. I think the question is not easy, really. All of you said that, oh no, this question is too hard. Teacher Penny, I don't know how to do it. Yeah, because the SASMO question is not easy. It's a competition. Yeah, so just try your best. And I already see some of you, so keep practice for at least 3 days. I see some repeating name. Okay. Right, so tomorrow will be Teacher Michelle. She will take you to go another new topic. Yeah, so today, don't forget to try the question, all right? Submit in the group. Teacher Michelle and I will try to see, who is the best kids? Yeah, okay, so good night, guys. Bye-bye. Try the question. Don't forget it. Bye-bye. Actually, if you have any question, you don't know how to do, it's okay to ask me and Teacher Michelle in the group. We are really, really, really willing to help you. So bye bye. Bye bye.